So a lot's been happening in acetaminophen. We are in the midst of appealing the federal district court's ruling that our expert could not testify on general causation. Truly a shocking ruling given the fact that that expert is the chair of the Department of Public Health of a university called Harvard. This is not just a good expert, this is the top expert in the United States, and a federal judge, instead of wearing a robe and calling balls and strikes based on that, put on a scientist lab coat and superimposed her own judgment above that of the scientists. We had a hearing last week in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals where at least two of the three judges were very skeptical about her decision to not allow the chair of the Harvard School of Public Health to opine about research that he had done showing that the prenatal use of acetaminophen, Tylenol, during pregnancy results in a higher prevalence of autism and ADHD. I think it's a solid case. And again, I don't say that people shouldn't take acetaminophen when you've got 104 fever. Of course you should, to get that fever down. But what it shouldn't be used for is everything that it's being marketed for. Aches, pains, anytime you just want a kind of little shot of feeling a little bit better. The use patterns of mothers across the United States, because an entire generation of doctors has been indoctrinated by J&J and now Kenvue into using it's the safest thing we've got. It's a matter of extent. Dose makes the poison. If you used it once or twice when you have a 104-degree fever, that'd be great. But if you're using it 3 or 4 times a day for 9 months, you're harming baby. And that's what the case is about.